If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Kati, hii kala yako ya uso ulitoa wapi? Hata yeye anaenda.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pick and Rate. It's a channel where we cook the simplest meals with the simplest ingredients that you can find just outside your door. If you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because here we cook and have fun at the same time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and show your support. Comment down below, guys, in every video. And thank you so much even for the support that you've given me before. We are already at 200,000 subscribers. Yay! And we really thank God for that. Let's go. Let's keep moving. Let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going. All right. Today we are going to make something very interesting because you've been asking for it. Sijui kupika hii. Although kuna recipe, I've done a recipe before, but I usually send you guys and it's like you don't go. So I've decided I'm going to do this afresh with a twist kidogo because nikituma watu to the old videos ni kama waonangi. Sijui ni kama waonangi ama hawataki hiyo. But now I've decided to do this in a new way, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, it's a quick fix, very quick. And we're going to make minced meat stew. Sawa. Minced meat stew. Most of you munapikanga munasikia iko tasteless. So today I'm going to teach you how to make it in a different way and an amazing way. Venye kila mtu atakula kanyama. Unaonanga venye ukipika chakula ti mtu anachukua kama tunyama tutatu, tunne, tutano. In this way unachota tu hivi. Kiscoop tu hivi unaeka mnakuwa equal nyinyi wote. Ladies and gentlemen, our ingredients. Of course, you need minced meat, onion, tomatoes. I have my pili hoho here. You can replace this with peas, minji. Then I have my potatoes here. Towaru is a must, yeah? In this particular recipe. Then here I have beef stew. I have not beef stew, I have beef cubes, I have curry powder, I have salt, and I have tomato paste. And we are going to jump right into our sufuria. First things first, washa gas yako, your sufuria. What I didn't tell you guys is I've put in some oil, and our meat here iko na mafuta, okay? If you go to the butchery or whichever place you're going to buy your meat, you can tell them you want your meat with lots of fat or with no fat. It has a name. This has a name. I've just forgotten. But then how do you call this particular minced meat yenye iko na fat? Comment down below. Na hiyo ingine pia yenye ina fat, comment down below. So guys, our oil is here, okay? So we are going to put in our onions. Okay, I'm going to take you step by step, y'all, step by step. I also have to mention garlic should be here, but at the moment I've just realized zimeisha na si kuambiwa zimeisha. I don't know kama mnakuwaga na hii shida ya kukosa kuambiwa kitu imeisha. Umepatia mtu instructions ukamwambia kitu ikiwa karibu kuisha niambie. However, ikishaisha sasa zenye unaenda kupika hakuna garlic, hakuna nini, hakuna, I'm like hakuna gas. Compose yourself. Yeah, and move on. Now we're going to do without garlic, but make sure your garlic iko, okay? Yeah, make sure garlic is there. So here we are. So one thing I usually tell you guys, I usually don't, when I'm cooking meat, any type of meat, I usually don't let my onion to brown. Sawa. I usually don't let it to brown because I don't want it to brown. But when I put in garlic, I want the garlic to brown a little bit. Because garlic haijaiva vizuri, it has some bad taste. It leaves some bad taste in your mouth. Okay? So here we are with our onions. So our garlic could have come just right at this point, okay? So if you know me, I always tell you guys, cook your tomato paste. Cook your tomato paste, please. Okay, the guy is here. I don't know what he wants, but the guy is here. Zenasha?
Yeah.
How can I help you, baby? Yes, baby.
This phone not working. See.
Oh, it's not working. What do you mean it's not working?
Yeah, but I want some sausage.
Okay, I'll cook for you some sausage. Okay, put your password, put your pin.
I show you.
Yeah, show me. Oh, amazing. You see, your phone is now working. Yes. Thank you. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go play. Bye.
Bye.
Love you. So he was showing me how to put his password. Yeah, so our tomato paste right here. I prefer cooking my tomato paste. Then I'm going to put in my beef cubes. Kuna mtu atauliza mbona unaweka spices at this point? Because that is what I prefer, guys. That is what I prefer. I prefer cooking my spices so well. When I say so well, I mean so well. Okay? And we all have different ways of cooking, guys. I keep repeating that. We all have different types of ways. There's someone who will come and tell me, hapana mbona umeweka salt hapo? Hapana mbona umeweka spices hapo, guys. This is how I prefer cooking my food because I believe in good food, and for me, good food is cooking my spices, okay? Yeah. Especially the tomato paste. Depending on which tomato paste you're using. Kuna tomato paste zingine unaweza tumia usieni kama umeweka chakula panado. So, at this point, guys, my minced meat. Okay. So, make sure unaibonda bonda so that iachane. Make sure unabonda bonda minced meat yako vizuri. Unabonda bonda. Make sure you're hitting. Oh, alafu guys, leo nimeamua kuvalia dera. Can I? Yeah, so guys, ndio hiyo tomato zetu. Okay. You know, tomatoes are very fast kuiva. So we are going to give the tomatoes like how many minutes? Like 3 minutes. Okay? Like 3 minutes even. Guys, the aroma. Na smell fiti. Yeah, so our tomatoes, guys, bado zinaiva. Zuri. Okay. So when we are still at our tomatoes, I'm going to put in our hoho. You know, you guys, I hate crunchy pili hohos, so I'm going to put in them now. Okay. Then I mix nicely, like so. Okay. Then tufunikie as we wait for our tomatoes zikufe. Yo, we are back to check on our stew. Nini yangu ilitoka na hii stuff. As you can see, guys, it looks amazing from this end. I don't know from your side in the kaji. Okay. Then this is where we put in our our potatoes. Guys, let me give you a secret, okay? If you put your potatoes too early, zitaiva zikwe mashed. Sawa. And we don't want that. Nobody wants mashed potatoes in their food, especially if it's a nice stew. You don't want mashed potatoes, okay? So at this point, we are going to put in our potatoes. And I'm telling you guys, this is a quick fix, eh? I'm going to put in our potatoes. I'm using a lot of potatoes because Gakeni has to eat, and she's already eating our food. Okay. Yeah, so guys, potatoes have a tendency ya kuiva haraka. Sawa? So ukishaweka potato zako at this point, you know you are safe from mashed potatoes. Okay? Yeah. Guys, also tell me which other potato meals do you want me to do to help you cook, because I'm a pro at that. I'm a pro at potatoes. I am Jerry. What do you expect? Yeah, so I cook a lot of potato meals. Yeah, so put enough water. If you have a small baby like me, put enough water yenye itakuwa supu. Okay, I have to taste because I need to know if the food is safe for baby or not. If you have a small baby, this is very good food for your baby, because hapa hivi anakula kila kitu. Kuna vegetables, kuna proteins, kuna nyama, kuna vegetables. Ako tu sawa kabisa kabisa. Don't cook boring foods for your children. Kuna watu wanakujanga wananiambia ati mtoto wake anakataa kukula food. The first question I always ask a mom is, unamboilia food? Because I am so sure when you come to tell me mtoto wako amekataa food, umeziboil ama umezioverdo maybe na chumvi ama na spices. Moms, karangia mtoto chakula. Hata wewe nikikupatia chakula imeboiliwa hautakula. You won't. Karangia mtoto chakula. Just make sure you regularize your salt, your spices. Just make sure the food is friendly to the baby. Okay? Because you see, this food is what we are eating and is what Kakeni is going to eat. Mwingine mwenye anataka kujieke spices after, ajieke. Especially pilipili. Yeah, because sisi pia huku ni watu wa pilipili. So tukishatolea Kakeni food yake, whatever thing you want to do with the rest of the food is up to you. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, let's check on our food. I'm so sure by now, viazi zetu zimeiva. So guys, our food is quite ready right now. Okay, there you go. And it's time to serve. It's time to serve. Let's serve. So you guys, our food is ready. Ndio hiki chakula chetu. Kimeiva, and I can assure you this food tastes amazing. So I'm going to call my food taster. Kana furahingi. Unajua? Mami alikuchun hapa. Ukakuwa na lipstick.
Wewe kuna lipstick?
Niko na lipstick ona. Ni akala?
Purple.
Ni ya purple. Correct. So hapa kuna minced meat. Kuna?
Mstaki.
Utaki kwa nini? Wait. Oh, swallow that first.
Nini wanakula?
Anakula nini? Unakula nini? Ambia daddy unakula nini?
Nakula pancake.
Ni keki. Guys, ever tell me, moms, kuna kale kanguo hakatokangi kwa mwili ya mtoto wako. Like this top, ni ya gecko PJ Masks. So, jamaa anavalisha nguo t-shirt nani, alafu ana insist anataka kuvaa hii juu. Alafu hata sijui ni aje leo ajajikava. Ebu jikave tu. Ebu waonyeshe. We ni PJ Mask. I know the next question. Rachel, ito wapi your top Gikomba? I cannot assure you ati utaenda upate, but wenda tu bahatishe. Pia mimi tulibahatisha. Daddy, are you ready? Or meza first? You are which?
Tumbo yangu inauma bado.
Tumbo yako inauma bado? I want you to taste this food. No.
Ouch.
Nini?
Tumbo yangu inauma.
No, you're not. Ayumi shika. Taste. Taste. Taste basi. Taste.
Useme kama ni tamu ama si tamu.
Taste.
Si tamu.
Jesus!
Si tamu.
My friend, I'm disappointed in you.
You're forcing this guy to taste food. Already ashatuambia anaumwa na tumbo. Ametoka kukula keki iko na sukari. How do you expect salty food kulikuwa tamu? Yeah, so mi kwangu hii food ni tamu. Okay, hivyo niambie food iko aje. Of course you don't expect aseme ni tamu because ametoka kukula vitu mingi za sukari saa hii. Uta taste?
Yeah, mimi ndo taste.
Powder.
How is it?
It's not
It's good, eh?
yummy.
I love it.
It's not yummy. Kidogo inakaa tamu.
Oh, ikiwa kidogo ni tamu, lakini ikiwa kubwa hivi.
Si tamu hiyo.
Ikiwa kubwa hivi si tamu. Oh, so
Kwa dogo ni tamu.
oh, sawa basi. Hivi? Haya. Hivyo iko aje?
Iko poa.
Hivyo iko poa. You had it from him. Kama unataka hii chakula ikiwe tamu, unakula kiwa kidogo hivi. Hivyo. Ni tamu hivyo. Na hivi ni tamu. Lakini hivi si tamu. Okay? You had it from him. Hivyo. Mwambie bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mwambie subscribe.
Subscribe.